If Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs on its own, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary browser glitch, a bad extension, a startup setting, or a website trying to force redirects. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, begin with the simplest fix: restart Google Chrome. Completely close the browser and make sure it is not still running in the background, then reopen it normally and test whether the issue is still happening. In many cases, a quick restart can clear out temporary bugs and stop Chrome from behaving strangely. If the new tabs stop opening, then the problem was probably just a short-term glitch. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your Chrome extensions. Extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome suddenly opens new tabs, especially if you recently installed something new. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Here, look through every extension one by one. Disable or remove anything that looks suspicious, unfamiliar, or unnecessary. Pay special attention to unknown toolbars, adware extensions, coupon extensions, or anything that promises deals, shopping help, or extra browser features you don't remember installing. These types of extensions can trigger ads, redirects, and unwanted tabs in the background. After disabling them, refresh Chrome and check if the problem is gone. If you still notice new tabs opening, run Chrome's safety check. This is a built-in tool that can help identify harmful extensions, unsafe settings, and other browser issues. Go back into Chrome settings, then open Privacy and Security. From there, click Safety Check and let Chrome scan your browser. If Chrome finds any risky extensions or settings, follow its recommendations and remove or fix them right away. This step is especially useful because it helps catch problems you might not notice manually. Next, check your startup pages. Sometimes Chrome opens unwanted tabs because the browser is configured to launch a specific page or several pages when it starts. Open the three-dot menu again, go to Settings, and then click on Startup. Here, choose either Open the new tab page or Continue where you left off, depending on what you prefer. Then look for any suspicious websites listed in your startup settings and remove them. If a strange site keeps appearing every time you open Chrome, this setting could be the reason. Now let's block pop-ups and redirects, because websites can also force extra tabs to open while you browse. In Chrome settings, go to Privacy and the Security, then Site Settings, and open pop-ups and redirects. Make sure the setting is turned on for Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This helps stop websites from launching additional tabs without your permission, and it can make a big difference if the problem happens while visiting certain pages. After you've completed all of these steps, test Chrome again by browsing normally for a few minutes. Open a couple of pages, click around, and see whether random tabs still appear. In most cases, restarting Chrome, removing bad extensions, running safety check, fixing startup pages, and blocking redirects will fully solve the issue. If this video helped you fix Google Chrome opening new tabs, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment it below if you want more quick Chrome troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.